take it right off. But I want to show you guys how easy it is to take off, okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do auto takeoff. I'm going to push takeoff, top button. And I'm going to slide it. The Army crew, I'm telling you. Army crew. Yes, sir. You gotta be a little bit smarter than a Marine to use it, but it's totally works. Sir, since you're wearing a bright shirt, can you come over here to the center? Now, I'm gonna do one of my most favorite flight modes I love to use, especially for beginner and cinematographers. One of my favorite flight modes. I'm going to hit the remote control. I'm going to hit active track. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight it. Sir, can you walk back and forth for me? The drone is automatically flying and tracking us. We'll always keep them in sight.
Don't have to draw with it.
Don't have to do anything.
Go run fast.
And grab it out of here and take it to the road.
Just be careful, don't touch your fingers there.
It would fall in your back.
And they don't fold that in there.
Let's see what other flight modes I can do in here that I know will work with no GPS.
Now, is it typically safe to fly indoors?
I'm a pro pilot. I fly professionally all over the world. Me, Sam, Victor can fly anywhere. For you being a beginner, never fly in your house. I don't want your wives coming back here and beating me up, okay? You have a nice house, she works hard, you don't screw it up for her. So this is tripod mode. Yes, sir, it does come with the guard.
Yeah, with the guard.
I don't like to fly with the guards.
Just put
They're
the
nice
propeller
to
guards.
have.
Yeah, put the propeller guards.
The guards, when
It won't hurt the drone.
the wind will blow you around. In here, I'll put it where I want it. This is now called tripod mode. All your shots will be slow and fluid. So when I start to move it, it's like a fat guy trying to run up 10 flights of stairs. He's not going to be very fast. He'll get there. He might sweat a little bit, but it's not agile. Now, when I take it out of tripod mode and I do that same pattern flying, you'll see the difference.
It'll be much faster.
She's way faster. And by having that lower battery on the bottom, it makes you a lot agile. Using that battery for CT is amazing. Now my favorite last mode is this. Oh dear God. Grab it.
Yep.
Emergency shut off. You're about to hit your 50-inch, 70-inch flat screen TV. Grab it, drop 90, and go upside down. Because the Mavic has multiple redundancies, if I grab it and go 90 and bring it back up, there's a chance it can turn back on. So you have to grab it, hit 90
degrees.
bring her upside down. Now she thinks she's fully upside down, there's no saving it, and she won't turn on. If we brought it back, there's a chance it can turn on. The Spark doesn't have 2 IMUs. The Spark has 1 IMU. This has multiple redundancy systems. So there's 2 accelerometers, 2 barometers, 2 pressurometers. To you, it just sounds like ohmmeters. What the hell is this guy talking about? But it's the IMU. Inertial management unit, the thing that we calibrated in the beginning.
It's how fast is the yoga? Actually smaller than that first spin.
What will spin? The motors?
Yeah, no, yeah. So
the drone?
It's actually smaller than
I'll show you now.
kind of wild.
Going around.
Okay. Now let's say you don't want to do auto takeoff, auto landing. I've done that a few times. So this is how you arm it. This is how you take off with it. Manual. You popping like you're popping a zit. Please, if you want to play video games, go play video games. We're flying now. Pop a zit. Okay. You're gonna hold it. Both sticks inner, and you let it go back to center. Now throttle up. And let's yacht. Full speed. It's slow. No! Sport mode doesn't exist. It's a misprint. It should be called stupid mode. 90% of all crashes are done in sport mode.
What? It's turning off the sensor.
It turns off all your sensors.
So you can go
And
fast.
it does make it faster, a lot faster. But when you're traveling fast now, trees grow really fast. 1 minute they're seeds, next thing you know they're 50 feet tall and they just show up. You know?
Make sure it's an open space.
Sport mode is a misprint. It should be called stupid mode for a beginner pilot. Please. I don't want you to crash. I want to sell you more drones. You crash it, you mangle it, it costs you $600 to fix it. Carry fresh?
Yeah.
Buy it. I can't sell it to you today. Buy it. It's great.
$90.
Huh?
Yeah, I bought it. I bought it on my Spark. I bought it on
you have 48 hours.
on this one. I should get it by Wednesday.
Doesn't go by your
I ordered
receipt.
online.
Huh?
Doesn't go by the receipt.
I gotta buy
No,
one.
it goes
That's
from
fine.
when she touches the internet.
Now, can you turn that on stupid mode and make it spin real fast?
I can't.
But I got a lot of that's why different cars.
Oh, okay.
Going up and going
That's
into
even better.
stupid mode.
But let's
I
say
went
you
to the store, but they said I had to do it online.
but let's say if you're phone in cash, you can go phone.
Twice the speed.
Oh, you can have that. I haven't even opened it. I got it last month.
Oh wait, that was sport. I fly.
Yes.
I just last July I bought the damn
I
Spark
fly
because it was
really,
the
really
damn-
big drones for movie and TV shows.
I ended up getting the Spark because it's brand new, you know.
Let's demonstrate the obstacle avoidance while we wait. I don't want that
I ended up
guy.
getting it last
Don't want that.
for Christmas.
Don't want return.
No, it's still in the box.
Smart device.
Yeah, I might. I got the Phantom 3 standard. That was my very first drone. I might sell it. And then I bought the Spark. Then I bought the Phantom. Then this one.
Okay.
I'm hiding it from my wife. I told my wife.
Going up.
DJI.
Go backwards.
That's nice. Going backwards.
Don't rely on it. You know, if I let go and I tell it to go back, it's going to assume you're telling it what to do. So when you see the fast blinking green light, that means there's an obstacle. My last favorite thing I like to show you. I'm going to drill it right into the ground at full speed. Still lands itself.
Nice.
So this is as simple as she possibly can be.
Stupid proof.
Yeah, that's why I said it's Army, sir.
It takes all the fun out of it.
No, that's good.
So they do give you,
It's
it
a lot of
does.
money, you know?
They
You don't
do
want-
give you a chance to change the SDK and modify your drone. As soon as you change your SDK, warranty no longer exists. So guys like me can make this thing book. Now, per my agreement with DJI and the business, I can't modify anything until 3 weeks after it's announced. So, 3 weeks from yesterday, come back and ask me how fast did I get it, How fast can I make it climb? And what do I think of it?
You can't do that with the Spark anymore.
Yes, you can.
I thought they...
No? Do you
They
have an
changed
Apple?
the app
Or
and-
have an Apple?
I have Apple, I have Android,
So-
and I can't connect it to the assistant on my computer.
You can't? Why not?
I haven't looked into that.
Oh, Friday, Saturday.
Hello, man.
Walked out. He's going in the car, right?
Did you buy it? Mavic? The Air?
Yeah. So I was just curious about this because I was asking them about it. I was interested in this too.
Yeah. I
But-
got this one like about a year ago.
Yeah.
But it's like, I don't even know how much I
You do a lot of like
500
online
bucks.
videos.
Yeah, I have my YouTube. I got a channel. So I hardly use this because sometimes I use my GoPro, the Hero 5.
Yeah.
Because this thing's a little bit too.
It's got like a lot of stability control, right? Like,
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
so
It's excellent. I
it's
mean,
about the smooth transitions, right? That's basically what the gimbal
exactly.
does.
Yeah. It's a gimbal. So if you don't want to shaky, videos like.
That your microphone came with that? You use that?
No, I have
That's
to.
an addition.
Yeah, it's addition.
From
It's like,
DJI as well.
no, it's a Rode mic, RODE. Yep.
I don't know.
Yeah, they got it. Yeah, because I got a GoPro Hero 5, the EIS, the image the stabilization still, The Hero 6 is pretty good. It's excellent.
You know what the 7, I think it's the 7 spherical lens that's coming out. It's like $700-800.
Oh, the Fusion?
I think it's
The 360? Yeah, that's a lot of. I know.
if you don't have a GoPro yet, wait for it. But if you already invested,
Yeah, I got.
it's kind of weird. But if you can afford it, get rid of everything and get that.
I get that, right?
The fucking stitching. Honestly,
$700 though.
what you can do with it, you can put it in one spot.
I know, yeah. I've seen it out.
Here you go, sir.
Now you cutting out a bunch of cameras. You know what I'm saying? And you
Yep.
can stitch it. So that's why.
Yeah, because they have a software, right? That's included,
You like your fingers. I do it because I'm very confident. When you go to grab it, you're not